Well, I think this is about, what, 2 weeks later? Look at the size of the little ones now. I assume that's dead. Oh, oh. No, I guess not. Okay. Okay, there's Mom and Dad right here with the 6 little ones, which aren't very little now. And there's the guy out on the water, and the 2 other little ones here. He got too close to the family with the 6, and they chased him off. So here's this one with the little 2. You can see the back feathers are coming in. But look at the size of these guys. And this guy here, well, good thing Mom and Dad are nice with me. As you can see, they get the black coming in their neck, the white bottom, the tail feathers. Well, I think we'll end this little video right here.